Hi, I'm Jonathan, and this is a Connecting Vets Hack the VA. Did you know the VA has an app store? They do. Go to mobile.va.gov and check out what they have to offer. First, sort things so you just see apps for veterans. Then nose around. You'll probably find something very useful here. One of my favorite apps is the Annie app for vets. This app can be used with either a basic or a smartphone, and it's a great way to coordinate your VA care. You could send and receive messages about your health care, get appointment reminders, and even graph your data. This app, it keeps you in control of your health care. One thing I need to point out though, if there's a little lock icon on the app, that means it's going to connect to your electronic health record. So you're going to need a DS Login Level 2 account. This will just keep your healthcare record secure, and it's available for active duty, vets, and caregivers as well. Do you take several different medications? Well then, you'll probably want to download VA's Ask a Pharmacist app. Telehealth is a fast-growing segment of VA healthcare. Using VA Video Connect lets you access your healthcare team from anywhere, and it's encrypted, so you'll have a secure session. Do you have post-traumatic stress? Then maybe you'll download the PTSD Coach. Self-assessments, symptoms tracking, and education are all part of this app that's going to help you build stress coping skills. Need to lose weight? There's an app for that. Trying to quit smoking? There's an app for that. Need to learn how to relax a little? You guessed it, there's even an app for that. That's it for now. I'm Jonathan Kopenger, and this was a Connecting Vets Hack the VA. Hi, I'm Jonathan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel.